here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. My name is Nick. I can try to help you out, but we got a 1970 model Monte Carlo for $17,900. It's got a big block in it, and I'm about to take you for a test drive. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna run down the road here. Any kind of flaws I can find, I'll let you know. So it looks like the RPM gauge shot right up. The gas gauge looks like it's working. The tip gauge is working, and the oil pressure is working as well. It's actually warmed up pretty good, and oil pressure's holding about 70. The horn does not work on this one. Blower motor seems to be weak. It's working, but it's definitely blowing slow. It's going straight down the road. There's not really any slack in the steering. It turns as soon as I turn. Speedometer is working, it's coming up as well. Oh yeah. Mess with this bed a little bit. Big block body. Big footy. She ain't do nothing. This thing feels good. It's nice and smooth. The paint's nice. All the gauges are working. Actually, when you hit the brake, it pulls to the left. I'll check that again by the end of the test drive. A lot of times it gets dust on the brakes. It's going to cause it to do that. But I'm up here at the gas station. They usually throw about $20 a premium in every car just to check the gas gauge and make sure it still has gas sitting on the lot. So I'll let you know how that works. And it does work. We're good to go. I did notice there is no rear view mirror. That'll have to be added. We don't carry that kind of stuff up there. We'd have to go buy it, put it on. But if you like my videos, I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. I post these cars every single day. We buy cars every single day. But on every car that we have, you can go to our website, which is weMainbsite.com, and you can see 100 detailed pictures of inside, out, and underneath. So check that out, which is weMainbsite.com. If you want to talk to somebody, you can comment below. I'll try to get back with you. Also, give us a call, 615-822-4444. I'd love to hear from you. My name's Nick. We're all family. We've been here over 36 years, so you can talk to any of us, really. One thing we like to do is tell you everything about the car before you come down, so we sell a lot of cars out of state. But I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.